gonna airbrush myself. Gotta look good. After 3 weeks or 4 weeks of not doing anything and just eating everything in the Philippines, yeah.
Some say that yung difference, which may be a flaw to some, ang difference daw between you and Pacquiao is that Pacquiao shows his love for his family, and yun yung hindi daw nila nahanap sa'yo. No? Parang yun, tapos yun nga, nagkaroon pa ng issue with yung mga rivals.
I mean, I love my family now, I really do. And I have so much respect for my dad, and I'm really thankful for everything. But it's issues, it's a family issues. Hindi naman perfect ang tao eh. All I know is that I want to be out there, and I want to help a lot of people. You know, I believe that if you have 2 feet and 2 arms and you can work properly, then work. I think that my focus to help is the people that can't help themselves, that don't have a future, you know. But I'm gonna be there for my family. That's one thing, is that I'm gonna be there for my family. My name is the Filipino Flash, and it's a pleasure to meet you. Nakane.
Which area?
Kahul. Girl, I didn't tell like that.
Some also think that the fact that your wife is always with you somehow contributes to the negative thing. Sabi nga ng iba, parang if someone will destroy you daw, it might be your wife.
One thing that I know, she has done everything for me. If my spirit falls, she pushes me to the limit, to realizing what I need to do, realizing my dream. She's not only that, but she just does everything. She helps me out in everything that I need to do. The majority of guys will say, well, she will destroy you because ganito ganyan, ganito ganyan. Well, because she's very outspoken. All I know is that tinutulungan niya ako palagi, and to lessen the problem that I have over my shoulder, diba?
Stomach in na ba?
Yun! Meron pa yan. Tapos dadamihan na lang natin.
Pero you do realize na simula pa lang to. What dumating na yung point na you are bigger than life? Hindi mo na makausap yung closest friends mo because you have so many people around you.
Never happening.
Are you sure that it will not happen?
I'm sure.
When you earn like 500 million pesos per fight, do you think you're still going to be the same?
I think so.
Noon, tapos nandun yung di ba? Sumasabog, di ba?
I know it's still a long way away, but what are you going to do when it's over, when you retire?
There's a lot of things to do. I mean, I take photos, I take videos. I mean, no, but mainly actually, to be honest with you, I think it all comes down to managing proper business, creating different businesses, different brands. It all comes down to now, I will stop working to earn money. Instead, my money will work to earn me more money. You know, kahit wala akong ginagawa, meron pa ring income.
Okay, ready, go.
No matter how you are as a person, a lot of people may like you, but then also there's people na will not like you. One thing that I do care about is my fans. All the supporters, I'm always thankful for. But to me, I feel na I don't have time to spend all the negative people sa Facebook ko. All the negative, without a doubt, boom, 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 ban, 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 ban. My ano naman is I'm gaining so much people as well na nagla-like sa page ko, because you know what, I do appreciate my fans, and I connect with them. I want them to be a part of it, of what I do, and that's what I do. It's just an appreciation of my fans, and I'm so thankful